In today's video, let's talk about on how to use Gmail filters. Gmail filters can be a great tool which can automatically sort, label or even delete emails so that you never have to do it manually. To create filters for yourself, what you can do is select a particular email from this inbox and then click on the three dotted line on the top, which is more, and then click on filter messages like this. This way, the email would be selected automatically. If not, if you don't want this email, you can add it manually as well. Now you just need to fill in all of these sections such as from, if you want to fill the email, receiving from particular email addresses, select the two sections, select the subject, the words that you want to include, the words that does not need to be included, the sizes and other things as well such as attachments. Once you selected all of these things that are required, click on create filter. Now there are a bunch of things that you can do with this filter such as skip the inbox, meaning all of these emails or the filter that you created will be removed from the inbox section as soon as it has been received and will be taken to the archive section. Similarly, you can see all of these sections that you can choose or create this email or filter using one of these options. You'll also have the option called forward so that you can add in a forwarding email so that any of the emails are automatically forwarded. So once you fill in everything that you need or selected everything that you need, you can just click on create filter and your work here is done. Now every time an email meets your conditions that you just added in, Gmail will automatically handle it for you with no extra clicks needed. So yeah, that's basically it on the way that you automate your inbox with Gmail filters. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.